Hi guys, this is Ben from Elementor. Today I'm going to explain to you about how to use the heading widget. So I'll go ahead and start designing and click on Edit with Elementor. And I'll go ahead and drag and drop the heading widget. As you can see, wherever the blue line appears, I can drag and drop the heading widget. I'll put it in the top of the page. And now I'll explain about the three tabs that I have that control the settings of the widget. Content, Style, and Advanced. Let's start with Content. First, let's change the text a bit. The heading for my article. And the link, I can link to wherever I want. By clicking on this button, I can have the link open on a new tab. I can easily change the size of the heading, make it small or large. I'll keep it at large. Change the HTML tag to be from H1 to H6 or make it a div, span, or paragraph. I'll stick with H2. And I can change the alignment to center, right. Let's keep it on the left. That's it for the first tab. Let's go on to Style. Here I can change every aspect of the style of the heading. Change first the color, however I want. Let's make it this blue. And the typography, I can use the default, but if I go to custom, I can really manipulate every aspect of the heading, increase it in size, choose a font family. I can choose one of any hundreds of Google fonts. I like Oswald. Change the weight, maybe make it a bit thinner. Have it on uppercase, lowercase, or capitalize. I want it to be extra striking, so I'll make it uppercase. And change the style to italic or oblique. Let's keep it on default. I can now manipulate the line height, something like this, and the letter spacing, like this. Okay, let's add a subheading. I can just duplicate the current heading, but I prefer to drag a new heading because I want to make it a bit longer. So let's place the text, change the size maybe to medium, have it on H3, and go on to styling. Text color, I will choose something gray and change the typography. Maybe make it a bit bigger. Family, I will choose Roboto. Have a normal weight, no transform or style. I want to give it a bit more spacing so it looks nice. This is fine. And maybe spread it a bit more. Okay, now we go on to the advanced settings. I will go into more details here on a different video, but to give you a quick overview, I can change here things like margin, padding, background type, border radius, or add my own CSS class. Let's, for example, I want to give here an extra wider spacing beneath the subheading, so I'll put a bottom of, let's say, 20. Yeah, that gave a nice space here. Okay, let's see how it looks on mobile. I'll switch to mobile portrait. Okay, I think I could give a bit more line height to the heading. Something like this, maybe a bit smaller. Yes. Okay. Excellent. I'll switch back to desktop and click on the preview button. See how it looks like. Looks fine. Let's save it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. For more video tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit docs.elementor.com.